As Russia's tank losses is unsustainable, as Russia has lost almost 4 tanks on average every day since the conflict started. New sort of protection are implemented, primarily to defend against Ukraine's drone army. While a metal cage has shown poor performance in reducing Russia's tank losses, now they have started to implement electronic warfare on tank and infantry fighting vehicles. These are meant to work close range so the drone can strike them. But while electronic warfare can be effective, these implemented leaves room for improvements for now, as Ukraine has been able to strike multiple vehicles with these without any signal problems, letting the Ukrainian drone army to keep destroying Russian equipment, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.